Hi everybody. Welcome to episode number 7 of the Power Platform Did You Know series. My name is Ron, and today I have a special guest with me, Matt. Matt, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone. So my name's Matt Mead. I'm a technical specialist for the Business Apps platform out in Vancouver.
Great. So guys, as you can see through the wonders of technology, today we're coming to you through Microsoft Skype. So the session that we want to introduce you to today is called Igniting Bottoms-Up Innovation with Microsoft Flow. And this is a session that was delivered during the Microsoft Business Application Summit back in July. And Matt, I think Microsoft Flow is actually a little bit of a hidden jewel within the Power Platform in terms of, I think we talk a lot about Power Apps, but we don't actually talk that often about Flow just yet. So I was wondering if you could just give everybody maybe a quick overview of what you think Flow means for you.
Yeah, absolutely. So as part of the Power Platform, we have Flow, which is essentially, think of it as an integration, a business process orchestration toolkit. But the great thing is it's not for developers. It doesn't have to be for technical folks. It's for business users like yourself to be able to build rich integrations between your business applications, whether it be within Microsoft or whether it's outside of Microsoft as well. So whether it be a simple automation to send an approval or maybe a more advanced integration of sorts with branching and looping, you can achieve all of that using Flow. And it's all tied together as part of Office 365 and the Power Platform.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So thanks, Matt, for that. And guys, thanks for watching. Please go watch the full session. And until the next episode, thanks very much. Bye now.